So here is our 2011 Ford Transit medium wheelbase. It is a 2.4 diesel rear wheel drive. There's medium roof as well. Charles, did you want to give it a start? It was originally owned by Murphy contractors, and they looked after it first. It's just had a full service, as well as the timing belt was changed 2 years ago. There are a couple of scratches on the side. The bodywork's not excellent. See, there's one scratch down there. And because it was owned by Murphy Group, it was quite hard. We would have touched up the paint, but it's quite hard to match the paint, and Murphy haven't got back to us. So while it was at Murphy's, it did have a 6 monthly services, and we've got the service history, 6 monthly service history up until 2018. So here we have 155,000. Don't know if you can see. With the standard radio, it's got 6 gears as well. And as I say, we've got service history up to 2018. Oh yeah, and we've got the jack is down here, and the tools are mounted on, well, I'll pull the seat forward, and the tools are mounted on the back of the kitchen there, and one down by the battery. Charles will just show you how the back doors work. You've got a little button there which opens them fully. Oh, I may as well do, so that is the curtain there for the porthole, which just has 4 bits of Velcro, and yeah, sticks on in there. While we're at the back, there's plenty of storage underneath, where you've got the toilet and the cooler, which are accessible from the front. It's got a 120 amp hour battery, leisure battery, and that is the inverter as well, which is 1,100 watts, and that is all powered by a 100 watt Renogy solar power panel. So that runs down into the fuse box here. So this is the fuse for the inverter, and then we've got a main breaker here to completely shut off the solar power coming in, so that you can do some work. This is a breaker for the fuse box to turn all of the lights and bits and bobs off in the front. And yeah, just above we've got the light switches. So as you go in the sliding door here, well, it starts out as a wine rack, but it's holding the chopping board at the moment. It's made to fit bottles, so it's sort of up to you. We've got the what are they called? Fire extinguishers down there. That's sort of straight into the kitchen. So that's it's a 2-hob burner and grill as well. Yeah, and the gas for that is down here, and the units are just velcroed on. So that is down there to turn the gas on, and there's also a spanner there for when you're removing and changing the bottle. While we're down here, I suppose I'll just show, this is the water containers. So we've got two 30-litre containers there. This is the backup, and the other one there is plugged in. And the wastewater as well, that just goes directly, the grey water just goes directly out of the van. Yeah, and so the sink, electric sink over there, tap. And above that is the CO2 and carbon monoxide alarm. Yeah, and the bulkhead up here, which is just carpet lined. Handy space for bedding and what have you. And so the curtain between the cab and the inside area is quite good. That's just got a bit of wood in there which can be rolled up and down easily. Oh, and that's just behind Charles there is just a cupboard there for kitchen bits and bobs. Yeah, table. Well, yeah, we'll show you how the bed and the table work. Also got the two twist roof vents up here, one at the front and one at the back. And under the front here, yeah, we've got it's a electric cooler. Which that's just plugged into the cigarette socket there. On the other side is where the Thetford porta potty's kept. Just swings out there and can be moved around. I like your hand gestures. So we'll show you what it's like with all the curtains closed as well inside. Yeah. And so there's two other lights here, which those run off the car battery as well. So you can choose whether you want to use the mains or the solar or the car battery.